You know, when Jed came home from the PV, back in them days, they'd send you down there to Cummins or penitentiary when you got a parole violation. I asked him, how's one-armed Donnie? If you went to prison and you went to the short hair barracks in Cummins, you'd always see one-armed Donnie. He was a tattoo artist, and he had a leather thing that went on his hand because he didn't have a hand, and he'd hold that gun, and he was world-renowned with his artwork. And then he'd meet you on the handball court and have that same leather strap on it, and he'd beat you to death. He was a legend. And so when I asked Jay, how's he doing? He said, man, when I went to the barracks, Donnie was out in the hallway in the laundry cart. He was dead. Huh. I said, well, he said, you know, man, in the penitentiary right now, the deuce, the K2, is rampant. And Donnie had smoked some of that shit and died right there in the barracks. And because the morgues were so full, because everybody was dying, they just put the body out in the laundry cart in the hallway. And so when you went to chow, what they call it, you'd pass Donnie. Or when you went to supper, you'd pass your friend. Right there in the hallway would be the living proof of you thinking you wanted to try or smoke some synthetic marijuana or something. You'll see it in the stores sometimes. You'll see it on the streets. That deuce. It would make you where you think you can fucking fly. And then it'll take your life. It took Donnie's. You know, there's probably 1,000 or more people that carry Donnie on his skin today. His work, his passion. I don't know what he was doing there. Never asked. But he was always good to me. And there's a lot more that didn't make it to the morgue. They sat out in the hallways in the laundry cart basket of the main hallway. God bless you from Arkansas with love. Fluent English.